Purdue University has canceled the winter commencement ceremony, usually held in December. Senior Assistant Registrar Chris Pass says she and her volunteers will be assembling around 3,000 graduation boxes in the next 2 days.
We're putting commencement boxes together to let our students know that even through the COVID conditions, we're still thinking of them, letting them know that we've put together a virtual ceremony for them, giving them some Purdue swag.
Pass says the 20 volunteers are doing a great job of seeing that everything goes in the right box.
We've got little codes on the boxes to let the people know that are setting the boxes up what the student needs in the box. If it's an undergrad, they get a certain cover, grad gets another cover. So, and then everything else is kind of, everybody gets the same thing.
Pass says the boxes won't make up for missing the commencement ceremony, but the university is doing its best to create a virtual experience. She says students who wish to go through a live commencement ceremony will be allowed to participate in a future commencement event.
The people that graduated last spring and summer and this winter, if they want to walk in a summer ceremony or a winter ceremony, they can email commencement@purdue.edu and let us know, and we'll be glad to make arrangements for them.
Pass says the commencement boxes will be completed by Wednesday, and students will start receiving their boxes by the end of the week. On Purdue campus in West Lafayette, I'm Dave North for Star City News.